Hi everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Willing Towards Success. My name is Danielle, and thank you for tuning in to another self-development topic. So today we're going to talk about flaws. And what do you think mine are? My eyes. So, just to give you a little background information, I have ptosis, and you spell that Ptosis for all those that want to look it up. And what that means is I have droopy eyelids. And it's almost like a muscle disorder, but not really, because as you can see, I'm moving my mouth and my brows. But if I try to lift my eyes, and if you look really close, you see that my eyebrows are going up, but my lids are not moving. So what I lack is that crease that most people have. So I can't lift it without having to manually do it myself. So I had such a horrible time dealing with this at a young age because I got teased a lot. Somebody was always asking me, hey, are you tired? No, I'm wide awake. Like, hey, are you high? Like, no, I don't smoke. So I had such a difficult time with dealing with my eyes because I was always getting like negative feedback. It was never no one telling me, oh my God, like I love your eyes. It was always like, are you high? Are you tired? Like, and after a while that becomes draining. But I noticed that what was making me upset and have low self-esteem about my eyes was that I wasn't educated on why I looked this way. And I gained that information, as I got older and my parents began to explain it to me. So fast forward, like, I love my eyes. Like, I'm now educated on it. I now understand, like, why I look this way. And it's okay. And what I'm loving right now is that the media is, like, redefining what beauty is. You have people with pigmented skin, uneven limbs, like, even hair differences, like, just being publicized like all over the world as beautiful, and we're no longer like secluded to this European style of beauty, which I've come to love and appreciate. Like, thank you. So today, how do I handle someone asking me these questions like, why, are you high, or are you tired, or whatever? I actually appreciate the fact that someone is asking me that instead of assuming that they know me and prejudging me before, I even open my mouth or get a chance to know me, and not based off of my appearance. And how does it make me feel? I love it. Like, I appreciate you asking me because now I can educate you and going forward. So you can stop asking people who look different from you, like, what's wrong with them? No, what's wrong with you? Like, educate yourself. Just remember that beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So what one person may think is ugly, the next person may think is beautiful. But my advice to you, double time, is love yourself from the inside out because you're beautiful. And to all the women who shaped me into the beautiful young woman that I am today, I thank you. And I thank you all for tuning in today. I hope I've helped. Bye.